Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Sharmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you 4 different chess tactics in Sicilian Defense. Okay. In this particular chess game, White has 7 pawn, double rook, double bishop, queen, and knight and king. Black has 7 pawn, double bishop, knight, double rook, queen, and king. Okay. In this particular chess game, white win easily. You can see how to white win the middle game. Okay. Let's go to the moves one by one. Okay. Now I am teaching you. You can see the moves. Okay. You can see the moves. Now you can see here. If black plays like this, there is a fork. Knight and queen. Okay, that's why easily take the knight by the white pawn. Okay, now pawn go to there. Now queen is powerful piece, knight is less than powerful queen. Now queen need to move. Queen come to here. Then pawn take the knight, then queen take the queen, then bishop take the queen. Now totally this game, white win easily because white has so many pieces. Okay, white has double rook, double bishop, a knight and 7 pawn. Black has 7 pawn, double bishop, double rook, a king. What? Black did not have a knight. Okay. We can go to the chess middle game of Sicilian Defense. Okay. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Let's go to the second middle game section. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sharmilan Chess. This is second middle game section of Sicilian Defense. You can see here how to black win the game easily. I am going to teach you deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Let's go to the moves. Okay, I am going to teach you now how to handle this mat. Now this bishop go to there and there is attack here. Queen cannot move because there is a check. Okay, that's why this game easily win black. Okay, first move is black bishop go to h6 and beautiful move. Now white has only way, he need to cut the bishop, then rook take the bishop. That's it. Now black has 7 pawn, double rook, a bishop and a queen, a king. What white has 7 pawn, double knight and a bishop, double rook, a king. Totally this game black has so many pieces. That's why this game easily win black. Okay, let's go to the third middle game section in the Sicilian Defense. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sharmilan Chess. This is third chess middle game in the Sicilian Defense. In this particular chess game, white win easily this game. You can see how to white win the game. Okay, I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch and finish this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is white, and now white knight go to there in d6. Now beautiful check. You can see here I am going to teach you. Now this knight go to there, cut and rook, and there if king come to here, there is a fork. That's why queen take the knight, then bishop take the queen. That's it. You can see here. First move, you can see knight go to here on d6, then queen cut, then bishop take the queen. That's it. Totally this game, white win easily because white has so many pieces. Black has no queen. Okay. This is middle game section of Sicilian Defense part 3. We can go to the third game of the Sicilian Defense. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sharmilan Chess. This is middle game section 4 in the Sicilian Defense. You can see here how to black win the game, why white lost the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. First move is black chain. Black cut the bishop, then rook take the bishop, knight, then queen take the knight. That's it. This is, I am telling again, knight take the bishop, then rook take the knight, then black queen take the white beautiful knight. That's it. That's why this game easily win black. Black has double rook, a bishop, a knight, and queen 6-4. White has 7-4, a rook, a queen, a bishop, and a king. Black has 6-4, double rook, bishop, knight, and queen. Totally this game, why black win the game. Okay, black has so many pieces. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you, bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.